right, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we are going to be looking at one of my favorite types of surveys. This is going to be chatbot surveys. So hey, my name is DG Funnels. I help businesses grow online using sales funnels and softwares. So let's go ahead and dive right into it because I'm really excited to show you this example in this walkthrough tutorial of a chatbot. Okay, so I'm already in SurveySparrow, and I've just gone to chat surveys. I'm going to hit browse chat template, and I've kind of looked at a couple of these, and I like this invitation survey. I thought this would be really cool because, you know, if you have any type of events that you are doing in your business or even in your personal life, really for that matter, or let's say maybe that you're an event planner, and this is just a little add-on service that you can provide to just make your life easier, make life easier for for your client as well. So I'm just going to kind of first walk you through what this looks like, right? So this is just saying, hey, they're turning 5 April 20th. Let's go party. So I'm going to say, you know, can you make it? Yes, I can make it. And now the logic is going to kick in. So first they get the gift. So you can see where this is very interactive. It's very similar to if you were actually typing with a real person. And that's what makes this so special in terms of using chatbot surveys. Okay. So what name should we put on the guest list? Let's go ahead and just put DG on there. How many people are we bringing? I'm going to say +3, you know, big entourage, right? And now they're saying, hey, can you please tell us the names of your guests? But I want you guys to continue to pay very close attention, because do you see the subtle delay there of when that message pops up? Again, it's the little things that create the user experience. Now, we're never going to pretend like they're talking to a real person, and they know that they're not talking to a real person. But that subtle delay, and when the messages come in, it just enhances the experience and makes it feel like they're actually engaged in an interactive back and forth conversation. Now, this is very faint here. I don't know if you can see it, but I'm going to go ahead and hit skip. Okay. And then see, it says, all right, DG, we got those details. And you saw how it had the 3 little dots. Again, it's all about the experience. So I'm going to go ahead and hit submit. And then it says, hey, we'll see you on the 20th. You're on the list with 2. Okay, awesome. So let's go ahead and choose this template so that now we can jump in and start playing around in the builder. Okay, so I'm going to leave all this general stuff there. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and show you this question. So as you can see here, we have the question. It's yes or no. Okay, we have the different options there. And then we can see here that this is the logic. Okay, so the logic for the yes answer is to respond with this GIF. And look, it says after, 1 second. And then the logic for the no answer is, oh, snap, we'd really hope that you could come. And again, you could edit this as much as you want. And now we get into the questions. So this question is just a regular text question. What is the name that we should put down on the guest list? Okay. And then you could see all of the additional questions. So, hey, how many people are you bringing with you? And you see all of those things. Okay. And then this is all of the little add-on questions. All right. And what you're seeing here, by the way, this is telling the logic to show a previous answer that you provided inside of the survey. So that's why it's, again, very interactive, very engaging, because it is spitting back to you answers that you've already given. So it's saying your name back to you. It's saying the amount of guests that you guests that you RSVP'd to you. So that's where these chatbots and these chatbot surveys are just so effective in terms of converting people. Okay, so I just kind of wanted to show that to you as far as what the back end looks like on this chatbot survey. And again, you could just come in here and just quickly start typing, retyping stuff, do all those changes. And then I wanted to come into the design and just show you the design. So as you could see here, we can change the color of the questions. We can change the color of the answers. We can change the avatar. You can upload your own picture. You can go with these kind of stock people. They have a couple of different choices there. You can get into the CSS customization. type of deal. You can get into the advanced backgrounds. I mean, you name it. It's really, really robust as far as all the different things that you can do there. You can even change the languages on these things if you want. Okay, change your fonts, all of that stuff. So, and then of course they have some preset themes, so you can always just make wholesale changes. Let's see, we can apply the default theme, and now we got the green and white, going. We can go with the teal sea type of theme there. Okay, so, and again, these are all the stock kind of themes. If you get into customized, you can change all of these things yourself and just, do it however you want. So that's pretty much it. And we have the different integrations here, of course. So we have our chatbot integrations and everything else. All right. So, excuse me, not chatbot, excuse me, our Facebook Pixel, our MailChimp, everything, every Google Sheets, all of that good stuff, Slack, Teams, etc. So all of those integrations are there. And then you can still share this in all of the different places. So you can send it as an email, you can create a URL and then email it yourself. You can post it directly to social. You can embed it on a web page or a funnel page. You can embed it in an email, send a text, QR code. I mean, you guys see it there. I don't need to read off the entire list. So yeah, just a lot of options as far as how you can go about getting your chatbot survey out there. And of course, you can always embed it on the site and just use it to convert. You can actually use this to convert your traffic into buyers by just answering questions like that and pointing them in the right direction for the product that they want. I mean, if you're really active on Facebook or LinkedIn and you do a lot of back and forth messaging, think about how often you're kind of just saying the same old thing and getting very similar responses. So imagine being able to take that, automate that process through something like this, and to be able to get those people from that initial conversation all the way through to the point where they're onboarding with you and they're becoming a client. So and then you could also use this as well if you just wanted to provide quotes. Maybe you're just generating leads and you want to get better leads. You want to be able to quote people. You can use something like this to be able to build in the logic to provide them with the better quote. One of my good buddies, he's in the auto detailing business. So for example, one of the challenges that we always face when we're looking at funnels and different marketing strategies as well, it's a different cost for an SUV versus a sedan. So imagine being able to use something like a chatbot, get the feedback, get the information. Hey, what type of car is it? This, that, and the other. And if it's a sedan, you feed them one set of answers and then quote them based on that. And if it's a SUV, you feed them another set of answers and quote them based on that. So these are all just different ways that you could implement this in your business. If at any point in time you're doing interviews and quotes and things like that, or even just like you saw here, just a straight up invitation for people to attend an event. So that pretty much covers it. That's SurveySparrow chatbots. And hopefully you liked the video. If you did, it's super necessary that you subscribe to the channel. That way you can always get notifications whenever I release new content. And if you like this video, be sure to check out this video over here. This is the complete SurveySparrow review that I did, just going super in depth, covering every single feature, all of the capabilities of this software. And if you would like to just see more of like a classic style survey, then that's going to be this video right here. And if for whatever reason you don't see one of those videos there, it means that they haven't released yet. So make sure that you subscribe to the channel. That way you can be the first to know when those videos released. And until the next time, peace.